everyone. Good afternoon. It's a field room back from the start. Hope you all are having a good time today. Our next talk will be about a large telecom project in Russia. And the speaker will be Mary Drubskoya. Is that good? Yeah.
Pleasure to talk to you for these upcoming 30 minutes about our experience in managing data science team. What do you think when you hear or read the phrase data science? It's probably some combination of keywords like mathematics, statistics, machine learning, and of course, this sexiest job in the 21st century. Or perhaps it's something like data science. It's something everyone is talking about, but no one knows how to do it. We'll try to figure out what data science is really about. We have been in this field for about 6 years, helping our customers to implement data science into their business. And the most frequently asked questions are how to build a good data science team, how to find people with necessary skills, which skills are necessary for my business, and of course, is our team ready for data science at all? I will share with you the answers to these questions we came up to. But before that, please tell me, what's data science for you? What's data science for you? Is it your job, perhaps? For whom it's job? I see. But in common, data science is the process of asking questions and getting answers from data. What's important in this process? It's quite hard to answer because the context of your business matters here. What's the business challenge? What's the pain of the business you want to cure with the help of data science? There are many reasons for companies to implement data science. It can help to predict customer behavior, to avoid failures, to check a box for investors, also of course, to attract more talents to your company and to talk about it at the conferences. Once you know your business goals, you will be able to define the key components of a great data science team. Not every company needs to invest in data science. In case you're not sure that you're ready to data science, then we strongly advise to use third-party services first, to be sure that you may use your data, you may take profit from it. And in case you're 100% sure, then you should start with the right team. Every company wants to have a dream data science team. What's a dream data science team for you? For us, this team can do everything. So we just come to them, give them a task, and wait for results. They are able to get data, to convert it to the right format, to find tools, and to define responsibilities to complete the project from end to end. Perfect communication inside the team assures the perfect results. Also, this team is able to contact a client and ask questions that appear during the work. And the client gets the highest possible results in the shortest possible time. Also, this team is able to explain the results from the business point of view. Does anyone here has such a team? Who has such a team? Or, that's great, I really hope so, because the reality is usually far away from it. You're very lucky. We also wanted such a team and started to build, but we came a long and painful way. One of the first lessons we learned is that a team should contain a project manager, a data scientist, and a data engineer. Of course, the team composition may vary according to the business needs and the readiness of the company to data science. It's quickly clear what a project manager should do, but the position of a data scientist and data engineer are still quite mysterious. We'll focus our attention on these highly demanded, expensive roles. In short, data engineer is someone who creates, supports, and maintains data architecture. Also, he or she gives birth to data sets, which are then delivered to data scientists. A data scientist, on the other hand, is a person who plays with data and make it work for business. So, in general, the efforts are quite different, but they are tightly intertwined. Let's take a closer look at data engineer's skills. Data engineer is a critical part of an effective data science team. It's a highly technical position which requires experience and skills in such areas like programming, mathematics, computer science. This person is good at manipulating, transforming, and a real hero should be also able to explain the results of his work to business owners. Data scientists should be aware of distributed computing to get easier access to the data sets provided by a data engineer. Also, he or she does the research work over the large volume of data from internal and external sources to answer business needs. He or she is good at exploring and examining data to find hidden patterns to help business to grow. Of course, then he or she make calculations, build models, create insights, and converts the complex results to a format that can be easily comprehended by others. Visual explanation of the work is a must in this case as well. So both parties need to work together, but I cannot mention it once again that both parties need to work to have soft skills, to be able to work together with the client and to talk to business owners, of course. Each company wants to find employees who has as many skills as possible. But I'm sure that you know firsthand how difficult it is to find the right people for your business. And we also wanted to find such people first, but we understood after tons of CVs and interviews that it's better to raise our specialists ourselves. And we started our way to our unicorns. Of course, while building our data science team, we faced many difficulties that are quite common for all the companies. The first and the most tragic one is the problem of miscommunication. It's not the lack of communication, it's just misunderstanding. Of course, it increased coordination costs. Those are the costs that are spent on communication, on discussion, and prioritization of the projects. What else did we have? The projects were slowed down because of these problems. And we understood that this situation should be solved. We decided to make people equally responsible for the results. And we started our journey to unicorns. What were and still are the benefits of unicorns for us? A unicorn understands all the aspects of data science, starting from the moment of data acquisition up to receiving the business results. Unicorns reduce time to market. We don't have the problem of miscommunication anymore. And people can be easily replaced by each other. And in case one employee is ill, left the company, or is on the annual leave, his or her work can be done by others. Of course, everyone is equally responsible for the project execution, and we don't have to find responsible people for this or that step of the project. And we started our building. What did we have at the first stage? Of course, projects were suspended. People did the same job several times until everyone could do the work independently. We taught everyone in the team how to do everything. Also, of course, people left because not everyone can become a unicorn. A person should want to learn something new, to constantly develop. And our HR specialists had to find new people. Stakeholders were not happy with this situation, and we had to explain them why it's so important to make it. This is our unicorn. What did we understand? It's our unicorn, which was raised according to our goals. Not so quick. We understood that it's difficult for people to work in many tools at the same time with the equal success. So, even a unicorn may turn into a sad pony in case he or she is overloaded with tasks, tools, infrastructures, and it's much easier to raise a unicorn when he or she works in one infrastructure. Our team works with the Hadoop cluster, that's why we created the infrastructure which allows to control the Hadoop cluster to create ETL, to import data, work with data, and export the results to third-party software. Lesson number 2, one is not enough. Always raise more than one unicorn. Why? It's difficult. Of course, not every person may become a unicorn. Some people left us, as I already mentioned. Sometimes your unicorns can be hired by another company and you will have to do it once again. Raise as many unicorns as possible. In the best cases, of course, in case you can. It's cheaper, it's safer, and it's more efficient. One more mistake we sometimes did, we raised unicorns and we overloaded them with projects, with tasks. We were happy that we have unicorns. And our unicorns turned into sad ponies because he or she can't also do everything. Here we have some useful tips we came up to during our journey. So some of them are disputable, of course, but everything, again, depends on the business goals. In case you have a choice between two specialists, one with deeper knowledge and one with broader knowledge, we always recommend to choose one with broader knowledge. Why? Because, of course, this person will need more time to complete the project, perhaps, but this person will be more flexible and have a better eye for business insights. And we believe that the more knowledge means more experience. Build an autonomous team. Of course, it doesn't mean that this team should be isolated. It just means that when a team knows what to build, it should decide how to build it independently from other teams. Otherwise, it will block the progress. Also, this team, we are talking about unicorns, should be able to cover the project from end to end. And we believe that this is a great way to enable productive learning culture inside the team when one person may teach another his or her skills. Of course, we have already heard this several times. Pick low-hanging fruits first. Why? Why low-hanging fruits? Because, of course, you won't be impressed by the results, perhaps, but it will help to understand what the team actually needs to complete the difficult projects. Data science and machine learning are still highly controversial topics. There are always people who are more optimistic than you. less optimistic than you and who simply don't know what data science is about. But that's why it's very important to set the right expectations and to explain everyone that the project may always fail. But it's hard to tell how accurate the model will be, how fast it can be done. Otherwise, it will be hard to work together. It will lead to misunderstandings and, of course, conflicts. It's always better to over-communicate than under-communicate, especially when you just start your team. Of course, avoid immature initiatives. Sometimes when companies just start data science, they think that data scientists can do everything, and when they cannot receive quick results, they become disappointed. It's important to have clear goals in line, because data science is not a magic wand you may wave, and that's all. It will take time for everyone to understand that, I think. So, I think you wonder if we are happy with our decision to raise unicorns. Really, are we still for them or already against? It's quite disputable, because unicorns are quite rare people. It's hard to find them. It's only possible to raise them according to your business needs. But we believe that they have your business vision, that you not have to find responsible people for this or that step, as I already said, and there won't be a problem of miscommunication inside your team. Of course, classical approach is also great, because it's safer, but we believe that it's more expensive. You face a problem of ever-growing team. It's difficult to work with one big team, and you need to divide it into small parts. Of course, now we still face difficulties, but it's much easier to solve them. But what's important, don't change your unicorns in the midstream, because in case you have one project and you started to make it with the classical approach, it's quite difficult to change for the unicorns, because unicorns have different vision of every product, and they will have to do it once again from the scratch. We may talk a lot about how important data science is, how to build great data science team. But what goes without any questions that data science and machine learning have a big future. And it's already around us, and we don't even understand it in our everyday life. But are we ready for it, really? Is the society ready for it? I will give you some examples, and you'll decide if the society is ready. So, there is one organization which searches for missing people who got lost in natural environment. And there is an idea to find these people with the help of drones. Drones will fly around, make video, and send this video to the machine. The machine has already its database with the photos of people who got lost. So, it's a great idea, right?
Yeah.
Do you think it was implemented? No, you are right, it wasn't implemented. Why? Because there are boundaries from the legislation point of view. So, another example. There is a government. It receives many inquiries every day. And different departments are responsible for answering these emails, solving problems, etc. The work is done manually. A person is sitting and sending these inquiries to this or that department. What did we do? We taught a machine how to do it automatically, and the accuracy was about 97%. But did we implement it? What do you think? No, it couldn't be implemented because these 3% did the its role. It wasn't possible, again, from the legislation point of view. So, what can we say here? I think that the society isn't quite ready for the new, but that's why we are for unicorns. We really believe that unicorns may change the future. We really believe that in case you do data science just for your business, it's okay to go for classical approach. It's okay to have a big team. But in case you want to change the future, to change the world, you should choose unicorns. Thank you for your attention. Let's talk about Do you have any questions, any comments? Perhaps you have the examples of such projects that wouldn't be implemented because, again, some boundaries from the legislation or something like that. Yes, could you share with us, please? Just a second.
Actually, I don't. I work for government.
I see.
So we are definitely confronted with a lot of legislative limitations and also in organization limitations. But
Yes.
it was a pleasure to listen to your advice. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for the presentation.
Thank you.
You just focused on the data engineers and the data scientists, but the tools that you showed is some of them are being used also by the DevOps and the other teams, primarily, for example, getting the data into the system. So the work of data engineers and data scientists more or less starts once the model is built or when you have to make some analysis on the data. But the actual process and the challenge is to get the data into that place where the data engineers and data scientists can use. So how do you actually make the collaboration between these teams and your unicorns?
Between DevOps and unicorns.
Yes.
Soft skills are important in this case, and of course, first DevOps work, and when the data are ready, then our unicorns can start their work. Perhaps in case you need more technical details, you may come to our booth because I am for business development mostly. Any more questions? We have still 5 minutes.
Hi, my name's Nick Sutcliffe. I'm the head of data science at Contexa. We actually follow a very similar pattern to you, where we have our data scientists who they do data engineering as well. And ultimately, we're trying to basically do the same thing and grow more unicorns. But where we're kind of like lacking at the moment is having enough people who can do mentoring. In your experience, how many people could a unicorn mentor once effectively?
How many people can one mentor raise?
How many people could a unicorn kind of like mentor so it can actually like be helpful?
So we started our way from having one mentor who knew everything and hiring for people who will learn how to do everything. But now we have about 8 unicorns already whom we teach, and about 7 young unicorns, we may say so.
Hello, thank you for your speech. There has been a lot of buzz around the citizen data scientist position. I would want to know, like the job. I would want to know what do you think about these news pieces of data scientists.
Could you please give me more details?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Some call them like business translators. Some put them between the business and the data scientists. They need to understand what data engineers are doing, what data scientists are doing, what business want, what business intelligence people are doing. So I don't know if they are another, type of unicorn in the whole picture, or what are they? How would you classify them?
it's quite disputable, of course, because we try to teach our unicorns to do everything. Really, we don't have people who do it separately. Perhaps in the future it will be a new type, the unicorn, but not now, unfortunately. We have 1 more minute and perhaps 1 more question. No questions. Then thank you. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you very much. Great insight into what